Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls. Come see the car for yourself.